Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Welcome to the world of mystery drama. We bring to you today's story called The Forgotten Voyage. Off the shores of Gujarat, near the historic port of Diu, whispers of an ancient wreck had passed through generations. Fishermen spoke of eerie patch of water where compasses faltered and nets brought up shards of gold instead of fish. The wreck, known locally as Samudraka Saya, which means the ocean's shadow, had become a legend. Its story buried under the layers of time, intrigue, and the restless tide of Arabian Sea. The storm of 1642. In the year 1642, during the height of spice trade, the merchant ship Vrindavana departed from Kochi laden with treasures, sandalwood, spices, and silks, and a mysterious cargo destined for the Mughal court. Captained by Arjun Nayak, a seasoned sailor, the ship was an impressive sight, its sails towering like clouds against the horizon. The ship, however, was cursed, or so the whisperers claimed. It was said that a disgraced alchemist from Goa had been aboard, carrying a sealed chest with strange relics. This chest, some believed, was a Pandora's box, holding artifacts that could alter the fate of empires. On its fateful voyage northward, a sudden monsoon storm engulfed the Vrindavana. Witnesses on shore reported seeing the ship illuminated by green ghostly flames before it disappeared beneath the waves, taking with it every soul on board on its priceless cargo. The modern search. Centuries later, in the summer of 2025, Dr. Kavya Rathod, an archaeologist specializing in maritime history, arrived in Diu to investigate the legend. Armed with sonar technology and an insatiable curiosity, Kavya was determined to separate fact from fiction. Her research unearthed long forgotten documents in the archives of Lisbon, hinting that the Vrindavana might be carrying something far more valuable than spices, a piece of the fabled Siddha Astra, a mythical weapon said to hold the power to summon storms or calm the sea. This revelation set her expedition apart from the usual treasure hunts. She wasn't just searching for gold, she was uncovering history. The discovery. After weeks of scanning the seabed, her team found a peculiar mound beneath layers of sand and coral. Divers descended into the azure depths and uncovered remnants of Vrindavana. The ship's skeleton, though ravaged by time, still held its grandeur. Among the wreckage, they discovered gilded urns, silk fragments, and most intriguingly, a chest sealed with ornate carvings. When the chest was brought aboard their research vessel and opened, it revealed objects like anything seen before. A crystalline spear emitting a faint luminescent glow, a set of ancient manuscripts written in an undecipherable script, and a dagger with blade that seemed to shimmer like water. The curse awakens. That night, the sea turned unnaturally still, and Kavya's team experienced an unexplainable phenomena. Equipment malfunctioned, voices whispered through the wind, and one diver claimed to have seen figures walking on the water's surface. Fear began to take hold of the crew. Kavya, however, was undeterred. She deciphered parts of the manuscript using a combination of Sanskrit, Arabic, and Old Konkani. Revealing a startling truth, the artifacts were not of earthly origin. They were relics of forgotten civilization that had vanished long before the Vedic era, a civilization that had mastered the elements. The decision. As news of the discovery spread, powerful entities, both government and private, descended on Diu, each seeking to claim the artifacts. Kavya faced an agonizing decision: surrender the relic to authorities who might exploit their power or return them to the ocean where they had remained undisturbed for centuries. Guided by her conscious and ominous warnings in the manuscripts, Kavya made her choice. Under the cover of darkness, she and few trusted colleagues loaded the artifacts onto a small boat and sailed to the center of the mysterious patch of water. There, they returned the relics to the sea, ensuring that they would remain close to humanity. To this day, the waters of Dew remain a place of mystery. Fishermen still tell tales of glowing lights beneath the waves, and some claim to hear faint echoes of a ship's bell on moonless nights. The Vrindavana story lives on, not just as legend of the shipwreck, but as a reminder of the secrets the ocean guards and the price of uncovering them. We hope you like this eerie but interesting story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.